Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology for BHMS. First, familiarize yourself with the specific syllabus for your second year. Prioritize understanding core concepts such as bacterial morphology, growth, and metabolism. Effective study involves breaking down complex topics into manageable parts. Use visual aids like flowcharts to simplify pathways and relationships between microorganisms. This approach helps solidify your knowledge and improves recall during exams. To truly excel, integrate your practical lab experiences with the theoretical knowledge from lectures. Seeing microbes under a microscope enhances understanding significantly. Consistent review is crucial. Dedicate a portion of your study time each week to revisit older material. Consider forming a study group with peers to discuss difficult topics, clarify doubts, and share different perspectives. This collaborative learning can be highly beneficial. Pay special attention to immunology and virology, as these are often heavily weighted areas. Use recommended textbooks as your primary resource, supplementing with reliable online materials or lecture notes. Practicing with previous exam questions is invaluable for understanding the question patterns and improving your time management. Aim to solve at least 2 full papers before your actual exams. For effective exam preparation, condense your study material into concise revision notes. These notes should highlight key facts and concepts for quick review. Focus on high-yield topics that frequently appear in exams to maximize your last-minute efforts. Remember, consistent effort throughout the year is more effective than cramming. Also, for some great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.